Hello and good morning! Today we are going on a tour, a full day tour to see the hot spring, end at the canyon for sunset, White Buddha, and a few other things. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure. We're going to have so much fun. We're going to see a lot today around Pai Thailand. Alright, let's go! The next stop on the tour is the Bamboo Bridge. It is located about 25 minutes from the center of town, and with the tour, the entrance fee is included in the price. There are a few things that you can do at the Bamboo Bridge Pai, such as grabbing some food or coffee from the cafe on top of the rice fields. You could feed the fish in a small pond. You can visit the Buddhist temple, and of course, bouncing along the bamboo bridge from one end to the other. The best time to visit the Bamboo Bridge Pai is in the rainy season, July to November, when the rice is long and lush. This is what it looked like in June. It was a sunny but also cloudy day. Visiting outside of the rainy season, you can expect to see brown and yellow fields, but the scenery is still very beautiful nonetheless. the time limit.
Juice drink something like a lemonade or something. I would make.
We have made it to the last stop, the Pai Canyon. Let's go. Pai Canyon is about a 15-minute drive from the center of Pai. It is also known as Kang Lan. It is an incredibly scenic canyon with stunning valley views, and it's one of the most reputable locations to catch a sunset in Pai. It is approximately a 5-minute walk up the stairs to the first viewpoint, which tends to be where most visitors gather for sunset and lining up to take photos. However, if you're game enough to hike along the skinny ridges to farther, less crowded viewpoints, you'll have a much better adventure and memorable experience at the Pai Canyon. But the ridge trails are very dusty and there are unprotected drop-offs up to 30 meters on each side. So please be careful, use caution, know your limits, and I recommend that you do wear proper hiking shoes or closed-toed shoes when walking about Pai Canyon. appreciate you sticking around for the adventure today. Thank you for joining. Peace, love, good vibes, and I'll see you next time.